So check this out, this is pretty cool. It's 3:30 in the morning, but I've succeeded in wiring up my emergency stop and, I don't know, I guess you'd call it an enable button. But basically, yeah, power comes in, this is mains power, and powers this 24-volt power supply, which feeds a few things through here, including this clever little circuit involving this contactor and one of the poles of the contactor. So you come over here and you disengage the emergency stop, you press the button, and it powers up the 24-volt circuits. Closes the contact, and once I finish wiring that, that'll actually power the servo drives. E-stop, breaks contact. Pushing that doesn't do anything unless you clear the E-stop again. And it works.